Welcome to this video, where we introduce the Planet Position Premium Indicator. This is a powerful tool designed to assist traders in making better decisions across intraday, swing, and positional trading strategies. This video will guide you on how to use the signals generated by this indicator to identify potential buy and sell opportunities. Please note, the download link for this indicator is provided in the description below. Let's begin. The Planet Position Premium Indicator has several features that make it a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. Let's go over them. First, we have the Planet Position line. This line dynamically changes its color based on the trend. When the line is green, it suggests bullish momentum in the market. When it's red, it signals bearish momentum. This helps you quickly understand the market's direction at a glance. Next, there are buy and sell labels. These appear on the chart to indicate potential opportunities. A buy label appears when conditions favor upward momentum, while a sell label appears when conditions favor downward momentum. These labels are clear and easy to spot, making them ideal for intraday traders. For swing or positional traders, the indicator includes swing labels. These labels mark key levels with text such as swing trade buy or swing trade sell. They are specifically designed for longer-term strategies, providing you with actionable insights into entry and exit points. Another key feature is highs and lows. The indicator highlights strong and weak high and low points on the chart. These levels can be used as potential areas of support and resistance, which are crucial for setting stop-loss and take profit levels. Finally, the indicator highlights premium and discount zones. These zones provide a visual representation of areas where the market might be overbought or oversold. Buying in discount zones and selling in premium zones can help you align your trades with market sentiment. Now, let's discuss how to use this indicator in your trading strategies. For intraday trading, focus on the Planet Position line. When the line is green, it signals potential buy opportunities. And when it's red, it signals potential sell opportunities. Always wait for confirmation signals such as the buy or sell labels before entering a trade. For swing trading, look for the swing labels. These labels provide key levels for trades that span several days. Pair these labels with the strong and weak highs and lows for a more refined strategy. This combination can help you identify reversal points or continuation levels in the market. For positional trading, utilize the premium and discount zones. Discount zones represent areas of potential accumulation, while premium zones indicate areas of potential distribution. These zones are ideal for identifying long-term opportunities in trending markets. Now, why should you use the Planet Position Premium Indicator? First, it offers clarity. The indicator provides clear buy and sell signals, making trading decisions straightforward. Second, it is versatile. It caters to all types of trading styles, whether you're an intraday trader, a swing trader, or a positional investor. Finally, it enhances efficiency. The indicator saves time by providing quick insights into market trends, key levels, and trading opportunities. In conclusion, the Planet Position Premium Indicator is a comprehensive tool that simplifies your trading analysis and decision-making process. It is designed to help you trade with confidence, whether you're focusing on short-term moves or long-term trends. If you're ready to explore this powerful indicator, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trading content. Thank you for watching and happy trading.